Start by preheating the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. In a blender, add the eggs, oil, milk, water, salt, and half of the Yuca starch. Blend for 2 minutes. Now, add the remaining Yuca starch and baking powder. Blend for another minute. Scrape the sides and blend for 5 more minutes, just to make sure everything is well mixed. Add Parmesan cheese and pulse a few times to combine. Pour the mixture into a 12-cup Bunt pan that has been buttered and lightly floured. Sprinkle some mozzarella cheese on top. Bake the pão de queijo until just starting to become golden brown, about 45 to 50 minutes. Let it cool in the pan for a few minutes, then serve. Thank you for watching. For the full ingredients and detailed instructions, be sure to check out the description below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more recipes. Ciao!